Good morning student, we are going to study English standard 4th. Now open page number 20. Page number 20 we have unit 3 birthday gift. Activity 1, how many trees does you find in this picture? You have to count how many trees are there and you have to write number of trees. How many birds are there in the picture? There, how many birds? You have to again count the birds and write here. What is the color of the boat? And you have to write the color of the boat. Now activity 2, birthday gift. Okay, first of all I am going to ask you all have celebrate your birthday. Your father, mother and friends give you a birthday gift. In this chapter we have find the gift story. Okay, birthday gift की एक story है. Okay, Jia's father gave her a little boat as a birthday gift. It was a beautiful red boat with a milky white shell. Jia wood it up and it sailed it in the big bathtub filled with water. जिया के फादर ने had given her birthday gift में he gave him boat. Okay, and beautiful red boat it was, and she rushed to the bathtub and filled with a water. यानी वो जैसे ही उसे गिफ्ट मिला she rushed to the bathtub and tried to sail the boat. Small bathtub with a sail. Okay, what is a sail? Sail is this means sail is like the one cloth is hanging up on the boat. Okay, ऐसी उसकी बोट थी. जिया वॉज एक्साइटेड. शी कॉल्ड हर फ्रेंड ध्रुव एंड शोड him the boat. It is a beautiful boat, but does it really sail? Dhruv asked Dhruv of curious. उसने अपने फ्रेंड को बुलाया. Then he showed her boat, but Dhruv asked कि does it sail, यानी वो चलती है. Jia said Jaya said she slowly wound the key and put the boat in the bathtub and wait where the boat set off, going round and round, creating a replies. May I sail the boat just once? asked Dhruv. और जया ने जया पुट द की उसमें डाली और द बोट वॉज रनिंग राउंड एंड राउंड. ओके, देन हिज फ्रेंड आस्क्ड कि मुझे एक बार इसे चलाने दो. ओके, नो जया क्विकली रिप्लाइड. जया ने तुरंत क्विकली रिप्लाइड आंसर दिया. यू विल स्पॉइल माई लवली बोट. ध्रुव वॉज हर्ट. He went home. He stopped going to Jaya's house. He was hurt. His friend Dhruv was hurt and he got hurt, so he stopped to go to the Jaya's house. But she did not care. उसे कोई परवाह नहीं थी. She had her little red boat to play with. She spent most of her time near the boat bathtub. She watched the boat sailing and was happy. She all the time Jaya was spending time with the boat, and she liked to watch how the boat is sailing. Okay, after a few days she began to got bored. अब कुछ दिन बाद she began to got bored. अब एक ही only one game she was playing, so she got bored. If was not fun playing with the boat all by herself, and she was thinking that अकेले was not playing very good, but she was very bored with the boat. She wished Dhruv would play with her again. और she was wishing what wishing? She was thought कि ध्रुव वुड प्ले विथ हर अगेन, यानी ध्रुव उसके साथ फिर से खेलने लगे. Now next page. One day Jaya was standing by the window. She was standing by the window. She was near the window. Her mother had शट द विंडो बिकॉज इट वॉज रेनिंग. उसकी मदर ने विंडो शट यानी बंद कर, क्लोज द विंडो. पिटर पिटर द रेन फॉल ऑन द क्लोज विंडो. देन जया हर्ड अ सॉन्ग. अब धीरे धीरे बारिश होने लगी और जया ने वन सॉन्ग वॉज शी हियर यानी उसने सुना. कम 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 चिल्ड्रन विथ योर बोट एंड प्ले. आई विल टेक योर बोट्स फॉर फेयर अवे. फार अवे, फार फार अवे. ओके, तो एक उसने नॉइज़ सुना कि बच्चों आओ मैं तुम्हारी बोट दूर तक ले जाऊँ. इट वॉज द विंड सेइंग टू द चिल्ड्रन. हु वॉज सेइंग दिस वर्ड? इट वॉज सेइंग द विंड. विंड यानी हवा, एयर. In a little while the rain stopped. Jaya looked out of the window. All the children had rushed out and put their paper boat in a stream by the road. Okay, when the rain was stopped, all the children were outside of the house and they were playing with the paper boat and in the stream. What is a stream? Stream is a small river. Okay, there were pink boat and white boat, big boats and little boats. They rush and fall with a tiny waves. The weak boat overturned and snaked with a striking one's slide on. तो जो बड़ी बोट्स एंड बिग बोट, स्मॉल बोट, अलग अलग कलर की बोट्स एक दूसरे खेलने लगते थे बच्चे. और कुछ वीक बोट थी जो कि दैट वीक यानी कमज़ोर. ओके, बोट ओवर टर्न यानी कि द टॉप इज़ आउट इज़ एट द बॉटम, उल्टी हो गई थी. ओके, इस तरीके से वो लोग बच्चे सारे खेलने लगे. इट विल टेक मी बोट, आई विल टेक माई बोट टू, थॉट जया. अब थॉट क्या किया उसने कि आई विल टेक माई बोट. शी विश्ड हर बोट, इट बिकम bright and shiny. She went up to the stream. She wanted to key and carefully put the boat in a water. वो बाहर गई. She went out and carefully put the boat in the water. Very it went quietly. It left all the paper boat behind. All the boat was very फास्ट एंड क्विकली. इट वेंट ऑल द पेपर बोट बिहाइंड यानी सारी बोट को उसने पीछे छोड़ दिया. शी लुक्ड प्राउडली. व्हाट इज़ प्राउडली? प्राउडली इज she looked proudly at the other children. Look at my boat, she clapped. She was thinking how her boat was going on. She was proud on herself and clapping. Okay, suddenly a piece of wood banged into Jaya's boat and it broke into pieces. She sat down and cried. अचानक से वो उसकी बोट को कोई और बोट ने बैंग किया. डोंट वरी योर एंड शी सैट क्राइंग. वो रोने लगी. डोंट वरी you shall play with my boat. She looked up and Dhruv was holding a red boat in his hand. उसने ऊपर देखा कि don't worry. Who was saying don't worry? Dhruv was saying don't worry and Dhruv said that don't worry and you can play with his boat. It was just like Jaya's boat. वो बोट जया की बोट जैसी थी. और ध्रुव ने बताया पापा bought it for me. Dhruv explained, come let us sail it in the bathtub. Okay, then Dhruv asked to play with her and in the bathtub they both playing with that boat. Jaya smiled. They were friends again. Okay, in this book you have keywords. The same similar meaning of these words are here. Whenever you don't understand any meaning you can use this book. Okay, this is your dictionary book. You can use this book for meaning. Okay student, we have completed this chapter.